But watch how easy it cranks. VEVOR 58cc 20-inch bar chainsaw. That was my first time to get it out, fueled it up, put oil in the bar, and cut anything with it. Now when I did receive this in the mail, and it comes in a box, you do have to put the bar and chain on just like you do any chainsaw. And I did put a little fuel in it and fired it up. But watch how easy it cranks. And this tree here was dying, or pretty much dead, but it wasn't rotted. And it was just a little bit bigger. With a 20-inch bar, I had to cut it from both sides to get it to fall, and I'm no chainsaw expertise by no means. This ain't about how to saw the tree down. This is just showing you what this saw would do. Now just last weekend I went to the camp with my cousin, and he had a brand new Husky Varner, and I'll pop the picture up here what model it was. And y'all can look it up and see the price yet. I bet it's 3 times the price as this VEVOR. And to me, it may have been a little more slimmer design looking. I think the weight on this here is getting up there around 15 pounds. VEVOR do make a smaller CC chainsaw if you don't want one 58 cc's. Now, if you comparing this 58cc to a steel, whatever they make, 55 or 56cc, I ain't got one side by side. But all I know is for a chainsaw to me to have around and occasionally cut trees like this one right here, this is a place I mow, and it's steady dropping limbs, and I done got tired of picking it up. But now I got a mess to clean up, don't I? But if you're interested in a chainsaw and don't want to break the bank, because most people buy a chainsaw, you just use them occasionally. It ain't something unless you a woodsman that's cutting your firewood full time, or you cutting logging. But then of course you don't want this chainsaw. You want a $800 or $900, $1,000, $1,200 saw. More of a commercial grade saw if you're using it every day. But for a chainsaw to just occasionally cut stuff with, you can't go wrong. I got one of these little 2-stroke VEVOR tillers. 1 or 2 pulls, it fires every time. Now I think, the only thing I think on this, I could get a little blade. I think the blade here wasn't as sharp as it could have been, even though it was brand new straight out of the pack. I think it could have been a little sharper, or maybe a little better grade blade. Chain, I mean, not blade, a chain. But I can easily, and I probably already got a chain that'll fit it. But there's just a quick little update on this VEVOR. I know there's not many YouTube videos out there showing these, but VEVOR makes a lot of great products for great prices. And if you look back through my playlist, I got a lot of VEVOR stuff, and so far, I'm gonna knock on wood, I ain't had any trouble with any of them, and proud of them. But to me, that's a good looking saw right there. It ain't big and bulky. It's got a metal handle on it. Choke on and off switch. Of course, you fill it with the fuel and fill the oil just like you do any chainsaw. You put the bar on. It's got the little tensioner screw right here in the front. Got metal, whatever you want to call them there. They teeth to bite the log when you're cutting. Now I will say this here is a little bit louder than the Husky Varner was, but not much. I didn't even wear the earplugs. Now they do send you a little baggie with the, it's got some earplugs in it, and the wrenches to take the bar on and off, and a screwdriver to adjust, and little wrench to remove your spark plug. That all comes in the kit with them. But I think that's one nice little chainsaw. And I hope that helps somebody out that maybe you looking at one of these VEVORs and wanted to see it, a video on it, and see what somebody thought about it. Like I said, now if you're a commercial woodsman, you don't need this. You need a commercial saw, but you're gonna spend about $900, $1,200 bucks. You somebody like me just wants a decent saw, don't want to break the bank, there you go. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below this video where you can go check these out. And as always, appreciate y'all. See y'all next time.